Hi guys, thanks for stopping by my channel today. I hope you're having a great day. I'm back to share a quick little project and tutorial. This is basically my inspiration piece. I've had this for a few years. I received it as part of some giveaway winnings from Lydia, who is I Triple Dog Dare You here on YouTube. I don't think she does videos anymore, but I'll link her channel information in the description box below. Her channel is still up. And like I said, I won a giveaway on her channel, and this was part of what she sent me, and I thought it was so cute. I've just kind of kept it as is, and I think it's Melissa Francis, but it just has some little paper strip samples, some twine, some little felt circles that have been sewn together. So I thought that one was really cute, and then just some more little strips of patterned paper. So I wanted to create something similar. So this is what I came up with. I just used some wooden spools that I had in my stash, and I used 5 of them on this one, and then I added some pattern paper. I think this is from the Chasing Dreams collection, some little like fuzzy thread I have in my stash or yarn, glitter washi tape, lace, and some twine here. The bottom has a little flat back pearl embellishment, and on the top here I added a loop and just added a tassel and this little butterfly. It's actually a button, and I cut off the backing on the button, and then I added this little flower to cover up that part and just strung it on. So there's this one. And then this one here has paper from the Gather collection, I believe. These 3 are the same. This one just has a different twine. This one is rose gold and white. And for this one, I kept it really simple and just added some of these little flower bling pieces that I had in my stash. And then this one here has paper from the Willow Lane collection, I think it is, and hot pink twine there. And I haven't finished the ends off on this one. So those are the ones I created, and I thought they were cute and like different. I haven't seen anything quite like that, so I thought I would share how I put these together. You're going to need some tacky glue or glue of your choice, wood glue, some dowels, or this is a lollipop stick, that'll work as well. And I used 5 of the little mini wooden spools on this project to make one. So 5 of these. And basically all you do is add glue. These, the ones I have kind of have different sides. One side is more flat and the other side is a little less flat. So I tried to keep it I don't know, kind of uniform. I found that it worked better if I glued like the flat side to the slightly raised side. So I just added some glue there, and I tried to stack them as evenly as possible together and give them a little minute to set up. And the tacky glue actually works really well. Add a little bit more, and then stack the next one, and then you repeat this, I mean, however many times you want. It's kind of up to you. You can do 3 to make it a little shorter. I like 5, so I'll keep going and add 2 more little wooden spools on top of each other, and just, yeah, trying to keep them as straight as possible. I did notice in the ones I finished, one of them, you know, went a little curved, which is fine. It's handmade. So a little more glue there, and I'm adding the last one here. So that's it. I just stacked them, glued them all together, and then you let that dry for a little bit. It actually sets up really quick with the tacky glue and dries really quick. So this is another one that I have finished, and actually on this one I gave it a light coat of white spray paint to give it a whitewashed look. You can keep it natural like that, or paint it a different color, or use regular paint, but the spray paint was pretty quick. And then the dowel, once it's dry, I do like to add a dowel or a lollipop stick in the middle, just because if I'm going to be sending it in a rack or gifting it. I don't want it to accidentally break either in shipping or, you know, I want it to be a little bit more sturdy. So adding something in the middle, I find I just feel like it'll hold up better. So that's pretty much it, you guys. Like I said, it's quick, easy, not much to it. But I think the end result is super cute. And I did find that using the washi tape, like this glitter one that has the sticker backing on it, was the best because you can wrap it around and, you know, it doesn't stick to itself. And then the other thing I would recommend too, you know, twine and laces of your choice. I used something like this on mine as well, and this is just something I had in my stash. I also used, once I wrapped it, I took one of these little bags like an empty little plastic bag that I was about to throw away, and I just cut a little strip, like smaller than the inner area. It's about I don't know, 1/4 of an inch or a centimeter thick, that just kind of fits in that area there. So after I wrapped the different things here, I just didn't know how to secure it. So I know some of the store-bought ribbon and things like that has a strip of like clear plastic on it. So that's basically all I did. I just took the clear plastic and wrapped it around the trim and then secured it with just regular clear tape on that. So they all look just like really finished and they're not going to unravel, and I didn't have to figure out a different way to make them stay put. So that's it. I guess that's pretty much it. There's not much else to it. I think they're super cute though, and I did want to share. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and if you do give this a try, let me know. Tag me on Instagram or leave me a comment. I would love to see what you come up with. So thanks you guys for stopping by and watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.